boys and girls, and welcome back to Girl Guitar Gatie, Somebody Else. Yeah, this one will be a short one, capo on third. We have 4 chords, 1 strumming, and that will be it for the entire song. So let's start with the chords. We have E minor, B minor, A, and D. So E minor first. That will be open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. Next chord, B minor. So that's a bar here on the 2nd fret from A string and down, 5 strings, from bottom up like this. And then you need to add 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. B minor, of course. Next chord will be A. So that will be open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. And we have D finally. So that is open D, second G, third B, and second E. So that will be the chord progression through the entire song. And we have 1 strumming. I really like this rhythm here. So with E minor, that's the first chord. It will be down, down, up, clap, down, down, up, clap, down, up. So it sounds like this. So the first part will be down, down, up, clap, down. Okay, so. Yeah, the second part will be down, up, clap, down, up. So you have a short pause after down, up, and then comes a clap, and then down, up. So it will be like this. Down, up, pause, and then clap, and then down, up. So together it will be down, down, up, clap, down, down, up, clap, down, up. Alright, so with the chord progression E minor, B minor, A, and D, it sounds like this, a little bit slower the first round, and then I'm gonna give you some standard tempo for the second round. Let's go. And then yeah, and that's about it when it comes to Gatie, Somebody Else. So play tuned.